Hello pen friends, this is Mark at Rickshaw. I just want to give you a quick up-close and personal overview of our new Van Gogh collection 2-pen koozies. Let's start with Starry Night. We have two different images, sections from the painting, and a blue plush interior. This is size long, size for pens up to 6 inches long. We also offer the 2-pen koozies in size medium and short. Next up, Sunflowers in a Vase. Same image, both sides, with our saffron yellow plush lining. Next, Irises. Same image, both sides, with blue plush interior. Van Gogh's Self-Portrait in a Felt Hat. Same image, both sides, with our dark gray plush interior. Van Gogh's Self-Portrait in a Straw Hat. Same image, both sides, with our saffron yellow interior. Sunset in the Willows. Same image, both sides, with our golden yellow plush lining. And finally, The Bedroom. Same image, both sides, with our gray blue, or denim blue we call it, plush interior. So there you have it, the new Van Gogh 2-pen koozie collection. Thanks for watching.